Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Look where I'm at. Of course, you guys already know by the yellow tags. I am at Dollar General and I'm going to do a haul that is all digital. Most of these digital coupons just came out yesterday, so everyone should be able to do this haul. You are going to need your Ibotta app as well as your coupons.com app and your Dollar General app to do these deals. So if you haven't downloaded those apps yet, please do so that you could take advantage and save the same exact way that I'm going to save. I need you guys to give me a huge favor. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and help me get to 10,000 subscribers. I have 2 days left, and guys, I am so close. But I appreciate everyone who has already subscribed and who always watch and share these things. You guys are so much appreciated. So we're going to jump right into these deals. So let me turn the camera around. Okay, the first deal we're going to grab are some of these Scott Big Roll toilet paper, that is the 6 big rolls. Now, this digital coupon actually came out last week, but I wasn't able to do the deal last week because my store did not have these in stock. So I wasn't able to do it, but they're in stock this week, so I'm able to do the deal and show it to you. So these are actually priced at $3.60, but let me show you. We have this $1 digital coupon that attaches, so that's going to bring these down to just $2.60. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to throw them in the cart. And just so that you guys know, there's also a special going on that you get $3 off when you buy $16 worth of Scott products. I'm not going to do that deal because I'm not going to get $16 worth of products because I don't have but one coupon. Okay, so guys, basically a lot of the items that we're going to grab today are actually going to be the items that I'm going to use in a cleaning haul. So that's totally up to you if that's what you want to do, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a bunch of items that that I'm going to put into a cleaning haul or household. I don't want to say haul, household bundle rather. Okay. So let me show you guys what we're going to get next. Next, we're going to get some Fabuloso. Now, we're going to get the bottles that are $3.50. So you can get the antibacterial Fabuloso, and that is $3.50. And let me see how, and it's 48 fluid ounces. Or you can get the new two times concentrated formula. These are 56 fluid ounces, and those are $3.50 too. So totally up to you which ones you're going to get. I'm actually going to get the antibacterial bacterial. I can't talk today. I don't know if it's because it's the holiday and I've been running my mouth all weekend, but I'm going to get the antibacterial. I'm going to get this one, the yellow one, but you can get the blue, you can get the green, whichever one you want to get. The same with the regular. You can get any scent that you want, but please make sure that you get one of these, the 350s. Do not get the small ones, the ones that are $2.75, because we have a digital coupon and that does not attach to it. So this is the $1 digital coupon that attaches. So we're going to get this, and that's going to bring it down to just $2.50. Okay, so next we're going to get some of the Family Guard disinfectant cleaner, and it has to be the 32 fluid ounce. That's the only size that my store sells. I don't know if your store sells a different size, but we're going to grab this, and it is $4.50. We don't have, let me see. Okay, there you go. It's $4.50. We do not have any digital coupons to go with this in the DG app, but if you scan it into your coupons.com app, look, boom, you have $1 off from Family Dollar. I mean, from Family Dollar. Oh my God. You have $1 off from coupons.com. So we're going to pay $4.50 at the register. We're going to get back $1 from coupons.com. But look, guys, we're also going to submit, well, we can't submit our receipts uh, to Ibotta, since we have our account linked, Ibotta is going to give us $2 back. And this is why I say you have to get the 32 ounce, because the Ibotta rebate says 32 fluid ounce only. And you can get up to 5, but we're only going to do 1 because we only have 1 coupon. So that means we're going to get $2 back from Ibotta. So with the $2 back from Ibotta, and oh, and also look, it says this offer cannot be combined with coupons for the same product. So I don't know if you have a paper coupon, which I've never seen, or any other digital coupon. You cannot use it and be able to get your money back from Ibotta. But because we are submitting our receipt to coupons.com, Ibotta will never know that we're using a coupon on this. So that's how we're going to be able to get our $2 off. So the $2 from coupons.com and the $2 from Ibotta and the $1 from coupons.com, that's $3. That means we're going to pay $1.50 for this Family Guard disinfectant spray. Guys, I think that's a pretty good deal. That's like getting it for 75% off. So we're going to grab that. Okay, next we're going to grab the Family Guard disinfectant spray in the can. All right, and this one is $6.50, and you have to make sure you get the 17.5. But like I said, I don't know if there's any other sizes, but I know this is the only size that my store sells, and it is $6.50. No, there's not any digital coupons, but again, we're going to submit our receipt to coupons.com. We're going to get $1.50 back from coupons.com. Then we are also going to get money back from Ibotta. Ibotta has a $3 rebate. And again, look, this cannot be offered with coupons for the same product, but because we're using a coupon from coupons.com, they will never know. So we're getting $3 back from Ibotta. We're getting the money back from coupons.com. And so that means we're going to pay $6 at the register. We're getting $1.50 back from coupons.com, $3 back from Ibotta, so that's a total of $4.50. So we're going to pay $2 for this Family Guard spray. Again, like getting it for almost 75% off. So that is pretty darn good to me. Okay, so the last thing we're going to add to our cleaning haul is going to be some of this Mr. Clean. And you can get any scent. You can get the Mr. Clean with Gain, which is the dark green. You can get the Mr. Clean antibacterial citrus, or you can get the Mr. Clean with Febreze. Totally up to you which one you want to get. I'm going to get the antibacterial summer citrus, and they are $4 each. But we have this digital coupon where you save $4 when you buy 2. And it has to be the 45 ounce to 128 ounce. So if you see smaller bottles, it does not work on the smaller bottles. You have to get this size. So basically, that is like buying 1 and getting 1 for free. So I'm going to add 2 of these to our cart. Now, what you can do also is, if you want to do like an all gain deal, you can get all gain products and you can get 2 of these Mr. Clean Gains, and that is eligible for the 5 off. I think it's 5 off 25 or 5 off 30 Gain digital coupon. Okay guys, so this is everything that I'm going to get today. I'm going to get the Family Guard spray. I'm going to get the Family Guard pump bottle, the 6 Scott Big Rolls, the Fabuloso, and the 2 Mr. Cleans. So let's head up to the register and let's see what our out-of-pocket is going to be. Okay guys, so we're back at home. Let's go over our receipt. So here you see the Scott toilet paper for $3.60, the Fabuloso for $3.50, the Mr. Clean for $4, and then the Family Guard citrus spray for $4.50, the Family Guard multi-purpose citrus cleaner for $4. I mean, excuse me, the Mr. Clean for $4. I can't read. The Family Guard Arrow Citrus scent for $6.50. There's the $1 digital for the Fabuloso, the $4 digital for the two Mr. Cleans, the $1 digital for the Scott. You know, we don't talk about tax. So when we subtract the tax, my total was $20.10 that I paid at the register. But then I did submit my receipt to coupons.com. Here you see I got the $1.50 back for the Family Guard spray, the $1 back for the Family Guard disinfectant. So that's a total of $2.50 from coupons.com. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, which I haven't gotten credited yet. That takes a little bit longer on the weekends for Ibotta, but I will be getting $5 back from Ibotta. So that would be a total of $7.50 back. You subtract the $7.50 from the $20.10 I paid at the register. That means I paid $12.60 out of pocket for everything. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Let me know below which deals you're going to do. If you've already done them, let me know. Maybe I missed out on some savings, but I thank you once again for watching. And until the next time, keep on saving.